Kia ora, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Cook and Travel. Today, we're embarking on an unforgettable journey through the breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and culinary delights of New Zealand. I'm Sarah, and I can't wait to share this incredible experience with you. So, pack your bags and join me as we explore the enchanting beauty of Aotearoa, New Zealand. Our adventure begins as we touch down in one of New Zealand's bustling airports. Whether you land in Auckland, Wellington, or Christchurch, each city has its unique charm and is a gateway to the wonders that await. Our first stop is Auckland, known as the City of Sails. With its iconic skyline, vibrant waterfront, and diverse culinary scene, Auckland is a must-visit destination. Next on our journey is Rotorua, a geothermal wonderland where the earth comes alive. Get ready for bubbling mud pools, spouting geysers, and unique Maori cultural experiences. From the North Island, we head to the south, to the adventure capital of the world, Queenstown. Brace yourselves for adrenaline-pumping activities and jaw-dropping landscapes. As we wrap up our journey, we find ourselves in the cool capital, Wellington. Known for its vibrant art scene, coffee culture, and picturesque waterfront, Wellington has something for everyone. And there you have it, our cook and travel adventure through the wonders of New Zealand. From the North Island to the south, this country has stolen my heart with its beauty, warmth, and rich culture. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel and culinary adventures. Until next time, happy travels, Kia ora, and bon appetit.